today we're gonna speed run how to build some R32 taillights. All we're gonna need are 4 taillight panels available on our website. 4 bulbs, LED bulbs. You wanna make sure they're short. We got our illumaesthetic clear lenses. Clear lenses? We sell clear lenses. Keep making clear lenses. We need shugu, maybe some butyl tape, and an oven, which is over there. All right, let's get started. Oh, we need aluminum tape too. So let's get started. First, we're gonna take aluminum tape. You can see this is a little dirty. So we're gonna wipe it down, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put aluminum tape on the inside here. What this does is this helps improve the reflectivity of the LED bulb. This gives us maximum brightness for minimum amount of work. You can chrome it if you want. I think it's a lot of work. I don't really think that's really worth the trouble. So I prefer aluminum tape. Aluminum tape works great. If you want to add more, you can add more. I don't think too much is really worth it. You just want a lot of it to be reflective. Everyone, Lord praise aluminum tape. Aluminum tape is the answer. So the nice thing about the R32 is it fits pretty flush, so I don't really need to seal for anything. Okay, so now we've let the adhesive dry. So I'm gonna clean up the panel. There's a little bit of cleaner on this microfiber to help get rid of fingerprints. Pull the lights out of the oven. Okay. Oh. Done.
Let's see if we can see it.
Now let's test it. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Hey. Kawaii.
It looks cool. Let's put it on the car and take pictures and do all the Instagram stuff and all that fun stuff.
Yeah.
Do you want those custom mods? We do it for anything you try. You want your ride to turn heads. This is where it comes alive. If you can imagine it, we can create it. Nothing is impossible with illumaesthetic.